How does stick and pizza oven work? First, capture electric power supply. Turn on the main switch of the machine. Here adjust baking temperature, setting 100 degrees. Here adjust tape preservation, setting 100 degrees. Phase switch here controls irritation. Turn on switch, fan holds turning. Adjust rotation speed here. Counterclockwise for slower speed, and clockwise for faster speed. Wait for the temperature to reach 100 degrees. Then pass the pizza from here and close the lid. Wait 5 minutes. Complete this assault. You can contact us with heads up 0, 0, 8, 6, 1, 5, 9, 3, 7, 8, 2, 6, 7, 0, 1. Thank you dear. Here is the video at customer contact us the machine. How does stick and pizza oven work? First, capture electric power supply. Turn on the main switch of the machine. Here adjust baking temperature, setting 100 degrees. Here adjust tape preservation,